The Edinboro Rag Relays are coming up on Saturday, September 24th. It's the only home meet of the season. Talk about the event and your expectations for the team.
Well, once again, it's something that we do different in the Edinboro Cross Country program. What happens at the Rag Relays is that the men run 4 legs of 1,500 meters on 3-person teams. Somebody runs the first leg, then the second guy runs a leg, the third guy runs a leg, the fourth guy runs a leg, and then we start all over again. The girls only run 3 legs, and I don't really want to demean anybody in any way, but what this is a glorified practice. You get a high quality number of repetitions practice under a competitive situation that, you know, fuels up what we need to do to run hard, and it has worked very well for us in the past, rather than continually running a dual meet where you score. This way we get a little bit of it's fun. It really is fun, but it is a high quality workout that helps us in our long season goals.